Alright, I'm going to show you a variation of the Brother John Hammon's the magic cards. This is my own variation, and what I'm going to do here is take out 3 cards here. 3 cards that I randomly shuffle to here. And what I'll do here is do an effect with these 3 magic cards here. Okay? Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1 card here, which happens to be a king. I'm going to place it in with these 3 cards. Just give it a snap like that, and we actually get some kings here. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll get rid of this king here. Okay, and I'll show you that I have just 1, 2, 3 cards only. Place the jack of diamonds in here. See, these are kind of like chameleon cards. Put it in here, and the cards have a mind of their own. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm going to remove another jack here from the jacks, and I'm going to place an ace in here. Okay? Place an ace in here, and now I have here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of the aces. Okay? 4 of the aces. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, are the aces really there? And I say, why, yes they are. And you cannot examine this. So now I'm going to show you the explanation of my version of the magic cards. Very, very simple, but very strong. I've made some improvements to it, I believe, because I'm using my mentor Allan Ackerman's optical rhythm count. I'm using a variation. It's actually originally inspired by Jack Carpenter version of the optical rhythm count. You have your setup, okay? Your setup is going to go like this: king of diamonds, jack of clubs, and an ace of diamonds. Okay, this will be your setup. You have the ace of spades and hearts on top of the deck, just like so. You have these 3 cards, which you put inside your inside pocket or your pants pocket, usually put in your breast pocket. And these are going to be the 3 magic cards. This is a king of clubs, jack of diamonds, and ace of clubs. Okay, these will be the magic cards, so those will be put away. Okay, now you're going to start off. You have your setup. Okay, you have the ace of spades and hearts on top, followed by king of diamonds, jack of clubs, and ace of diamonds. Okay, and what you're going to do, give the deck some false shuffles. Just do a run shuffle. Okay, bring it back to the top. Now you're going to shuffle here, a milk shuffle. Okay, you're going to take a chunk of cards. Your fingers are going to pull off the first card from the back. Okay, as you shuffle, say stop. Okay, this is a force that Allan Ackerman taught me, my mentor, and I use this. You're going to repeat that milk shuffle. Okay, you shuffle, say stop. Now this comes to a random positions, it looks like, but you've actually brought these guys to the top. So now what you're going to do, keep the top one on the top 2 aces. Okay, so put the piles back, keeping those secretly on top, the ace of spades and hearts. Right, set the deck slightly off the mat here. Now reach inside your breast pocket or inner pocket and say, I have 3 magic cards. Now when you bring these cards out, you should have them in order. They should actually be in the order which the cards are. So if you count these down, you can glance at them. You don't reveal the faces. Okay, so always keep them down. You have the order king, jack, ace, right? Now, you're going to place the king in, second from the top. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to actually have these in jack, ace, king. You'll see why. You can toy with these. It's better to pull them out of your pocket and have them in order. King, ace, jack. So you want to have the exact order. You'll see why in a second. You say these are the magic cards. Any cards I put in here, they can adapt like chameleons. You place one of the cards, the king, place it in here. Now what you're going to do is put it in second from top. You're going to spread over like right here. You're going to do the optical rhythm count, okay, of Allan Ackerman. But because you have a jack here, you can show, and actually you can have this in this order. Okay? So you actually want to have king, jack, ace, king, ace, jack. So king of diamonds, ace of clubs, and jack of clubs are the cards you pull out of your pocket in that order, right? King, ace, jack. Because when you take this out, you place the king in. Now you're going to do the optical rhythm count. So when you show this guy here, you're not going to show the club, but you can show, hiding the index here, right? You can show some court card there. So that's a subtlety, right? So you go 1, then you switch here, right? 2, switch, 3, 4. Now you pick them up and you reverse count them in your hands. Out jog this card. This is so you can flash so they see king here, right? Subtlety here. Set that down. Turn these over, count 1, 2, 3. Now you should be in this order. King, ace, jack, right? You place a card in. So you place a random card that's shuffled to a jack here. Don't call attention to the suits. Snap, repeat the optical rhythm, okay? Now you can show some of the court because you have the king there. Just don't flash the pips. Your 2 fingers you can hide. So this is really good because it looks like you've got 4 jacks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Reverse count. As you reverse count, out jog that one. Now, as you take this out, they can see a jack here, so that creates the illusion like you have the 4 jacks. Set that down. Now, you side glide, because you want to reposition that ace on the bottom. Put this ace in here, second from the top. Take 2 cards in each hand, and do a real fast optical rhythm. You don't want attention to the suit, so I usually block this suit, because that is to show the aces real quick. But what you're going to do is when you pick up the deck here, you're going to pinky count 1, 2 cards. You're going to hold these 2 here. Now, as you set this down, you're going to make a switch, which is like this. You're going to drop here. Your thumb's going to hold this, and that's a kind of like a curry action, curry switch, but it's in the air because you're going to just set these down like that real fast. Get rid of these cards and cut them in the deck. Make a little joke, cut the deck with one hand, do a one-handed cut. Now you're clean. So I like this version. You finish clean, so enjoy that. And head over to my site to check out what I have to learn more. MagicSecretsLive.com. Get over 50 free magic tutorials right now today. Thank you.